So if I want to multiply a half by a third, I'm going to split the third up even further. And we can see this in this way here. The purple area will be a half of a third. We now have sixths, and we have one of them. And if we multiply the top, 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 3 is 6, it's 1/6. And now if we try a half of 2/3, we split them up again. The purple area is what we've got. There are 6 different areas here. We have 2 of them, so we have 2/6. 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, 2/6. Although we can also see that we have this area here of 2, this area here of 2, this area here of 2, and 2/6 we actually simplify to 1/3. And here, if we wanted 3/4 of 2/3, it's the purple area here. We have 4, 8, 12 proportions here, and we have 6 of them. So this is 6/12. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 3 is 12. Though we can also see that we also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here and 6 here, so that 6/12 would be the same as 1/2. Multiplying fractions. If I have a third of a pizza and I multiply it by 2, then surely I get 2/3 of a pizza. So 2 times 1/3 is 2/3. And I could write that as 2/1 times 1/3 is 2/3. If I have a half of a pizza, surely multiplying it by a half is the same as cutting it in 2, a half of. And I get 1/4, a fourth of a pizza. So 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4, 1/4. So to multiply, we simply times the numbers at the top and times the numbers at the bottom. And you may have to simplify the answer. So 3/4 times 5/8 is 3 times 5 over 4 times 8. 3 5s are 15 and 4 8s are 32. It's 15 over 32. 2 7ths times 5 6 is 2 times 5 over 7 times 6. 2 5s are 10, 7 6s are 42. They're both even. I can simplify this and divide top and bottom by 5/21. 3/5 times 7/9, well, 3 times 7 over 5 times 9, 3 7s are 21, 5 9s are 45, but both of these are divisible by 3, so I can get 7 on the top and 15 on the bottom. So to save you having to simplify at the end, we can simplify before we multiply, and this makes our calculation easier. So if I have 6/7 times 5/6, I've got a 6 on the top and a 6 on the bottom, and I can cancel those out. And this just becomes 1 times 5 over 7 times 1 is 5/7. Instead of getting 30 over 42 and then trying to simplify it, I simplify first. Much easier. 4/5 times 3/8, well, both the 4 and the 8 are divisible by 4, so I can cancel those out. The 4 becomes 1, the 8 becomes 2. I get 1 times 3 over 5 times 2 is 3/10. 4/9 times 6/7. Well, the 6 and the 9 are both divisible by 3. I can cancel out and get 2 over 3. So 4 times 2 over 3 times 7 is 8 over 20. That's a way of doing it. And this will help with division 2 when we get to that. And you do it after the keep, flip, change bit.